Dear students, we are going to discuss about the relation and functions. In this presentation, we are going to discuss about the representation of functions. A function may be represented by a set of ordered pairs, a table form, an array diagram, a graphical form. A function a tilde to b be a function. A set of ordered pair, the set f is equal to x comma y, where y equal to f of x belongs to a of all ordered pairs represent a function. In table form, the values of x and the values of the respective images under f can be given in the form of a table. Arrow diagram. An arrow diagram indicates the elements of the domain of f and their respective images by means of arrows. Graph. The ordered pair in the collection f is equal to x comma y, where y equal to f of x belongs to a, are plotted as points in the xy plane. The graph of f is the totality of all such points. Every function can be represented by a curve in a graph, but not every curve drawn in a graph will represent a function. The next one, the following test will help us in determining whether the given curve is a function or not. Vertical line test. Vertical line test means we draw a vertical line in the given picture if every vertical line intersects the curve in at most one point. Here, for example, three pictures are given. In first picture, we draw the vertical line. The line meet at 2 points in first picture, that is P, Q. In the second picture, we draw the vertical line. That line meet the curve at one point, that is P. In the third picture, we draw the vertical line. The line meet at 2 points, that is P, Q. In the fourth picture, we draw the vertical line. The line meet at one point, that is P. So, first picture and second picture do not represent a function because the vertical lines meet the curve in 2 points, P and Q. The second and fourth picture represent a function as the vertical lines meet the curve in at most 1 point. The next one, horizontal line test. Horizontal line test means a function represented in a graph is 1 to 1 if every horizontal line intersects the curve in at most 1 point. So using horizontal line test, given three pictures are given. Here in first figure, the curves represent a 1 to 1 function as the horizontal lines meet the curve in only one point P. In the second picture does not represent a 1 to 1 function since the horizontal line meet the curve in 2 points, that is P and Q. In third picture represent a 1 to 1 function as the horizontal lines meet the curves in only one point. So represent a function for one example. Let A set contains 4 elements 1, 2, 3, 4 and B set contains 5 elements 2, 5, 8, 11, 14 be 2 sets. So function a to b be a function given by f of x is equal to 3x minus 1. So represent this function by arrow diagram in a table form as a set of ordered pairs in a graphical form. So in a solution, A set contains 4 elements, B set contains 5 elements. The given function f of x equal to 3x minus 1. First substitute 1 in the given function. We have 3 into 1 minus 1 equal to 2. We substitute 2 in f of x. F of 2 is equal to 6 minus 1 equal to 5. We substitute 3 in f of x. So f of 3 is equal to 9 minus 1 equal to 8. We substitute 4 in f of x. 4 3s are 12. 12 minus 1 is equal to 11. So how to draw the arrow diagram? Here the first Venn diagram represents set A and second Venn diagram represents set B. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 as an element of A. 2, 5, 8, 11, 14 as an element of set B. Let us map A with B. Here 1 with 2, 2 with 5, 3 with 8, 4 with 11. This is the arrow diagram. In table form, the given function f can be represented in a tabular form as given below. X 1, 2, 3, 4. So we find out the answer f of x 2, 5, 8, 11. We draw the tabular form. Set of ordered pairs. So in the arrow diagram, we get the ordered pair is the set of 1, 2, 2, 5, 3, 8, 4, 11. Graphical form. In the adjacent xy plane, the points 1, 2, 2, 5, 3, 8, 4, 11 are plotted this given graph. In another one example, let A is contains 1, 2, 3. B set have 4 elements, that is 4, 5, 6, 7. The given function is 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6 be a function from A to B. Show that f is 1 to 1 but not onto function. So then f is a function from A to B, and for different elements in A there are different images in B. So f is 1 to 1 function. But the element 7 in the codomain does not have any pre-images in the domain. So f is not onto. Therefore f is 1 to 1 function but not an onto function. In another one example, I explain A set contains 5 elements -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and f of A tells to B is an onto function defined by f of x is equal to x square plus x plus 1. Then find B. The given function f of x equal to x square plus x plus 1. We substitute -2 in f of x. We have 3. In substitute -1, f of -1, we get the answer is 1. We substitute 0, so f of 0 equal to 1. We substitute 1, f of 1 is equal to 1 square plus 1 equal to 3. In f of 2 is equal to 2 square plus 2 plus 1 equal to 7. So f is an onto function. So range of f equal to B is equal to codomain of f. Therefore B set is equal to 1, 3, 7. Thank you.